joshboss444 here. So we're going to make a sonic boom come to life again. Because we have to bring back Sonic Boom back. So we have got bring him back. So like that, then put in Sonic Boom. Boom. Now we're gonna get that. Boom! Cut. Please get. Please, work. Yes! Sonic Boom. Okay, now let's make a Sonic Boom for... Woohoo! Oh, well, 4. Device 4? That's weird. Wait, is that Stranger Things? I love Stranger Things. Guys, I always love Stranger Things because I like to watch it. So we're going to try to find a 4 to use. Wait, is that Toy Story? I used to watch Toy Story before. Well, we're going to make a Toy Story video. So that will be in tomorrow. Okay. Let's sing that. Okay, guys. So we make the Sonic Boom. Look, Mommy. It looks completed. We bring back Sonic Boom. I just bring back Sonic Boom. I dancing. I just bring back Sonic Boom. So it's something missing to you guys. Just sing. Let me put in Sega. Sega. Gotta make a Sega. Sega. Wait. Never mind. Hey guys, so we're doing good. Put in that. How do I spell April, Mommy?
A
R
A P
P
R
R
I L.
Okay.
A pill. A pill. A pill. A pill. A pill.
Okay, guys, I made it that.
Pill.
I made it say April 5 June.
A pill.
Stop, okay, you can stop it now. So I made it like this, guys. Okay. Let me do the. Wait. Yeah. Now do the color.
You see Jog come in here?
Yeah.
You came in here?
Yes. Nope.
I wonder where that back scratcher is when you need it. Gosh.
It's gone. It's gone.
It's here someplace.
Okay, now I'm going to make it April 5 June. It's like going to be like that. Boom. Okay, guys, this looks good. Does it look anything like something boom? Just tell me, please. Just tell me, because I'm good at doing things. And bye.